We've just built a batch airdrop tool. Forrest only requested it. You'll see him all over the homepage of In Process because he releases a couple times a day. In order to use the tool, it is Google Sheets compatible, and you just go to your Manage page after selecting the drop-down in the top right. From your Manage page, you select whatever the moment is that you want to airdrop, and from there, click on the individual moment again. But now what you can do is you can copy an entire Google Sheet column. You can paste it right in, and it validates them one by one, sets up your airdrop, so that way you can just copy and paste the whole list in. Then you just click the airdrop button. It opens up your wallet to confirm. You see the transaction, you sign it, see the transaction. You can see the 4 seconds ago, I've got a new transaction. And inside of this, I airdropped 22 items of I Am CC0 music to CY, Cheek.Bass, David T. Fung, Heno, Scenes, Call Me Latasha, and the entire list. That's how you use the new batch airdrop tool offered by In Process.